This is a condensed problem walkthrough from our live streams. If you want to watch the full beginner breakdown, click to watch the full stream. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. There are n employees in a company numbered from 0 to n minus 1. Each employee I has worked for hours, bracket I, hours in the company. Company requires each employee to work for at least target hours.
Okay,
You got it? You got it?
I
You are
got it. I
given
got
a
it.
zero indexed array of non-negative integers, hours of length and a non-negative integer target.
Okay.
Return the integer denoting the number of employees who worked at least target hours.
Okay. I get you. I get you. Okay, I see. I
Wait,
see.
no.
I see.
Okay, this is our pseudo explanation.
I'll say loop through employees,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Looping through employees, check if each employee met target. Yeah?
Okay.
Now create a counter, right?
Yeah.
If employee met target, counter plus plus.
There you go.
Hey, all right.
All right,
Okay.
right. All right. I like it. Let's do it. Create a new line. Okay, there you go.
There you go. There.
Now, yeah, we want to create a counter.
There.
Okay.
No,
You
right there.
misspelled it a little bit. You added an extra
Oh,
C.
okay. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay,
There
there,
you go.
like that. There you
Next.
go. Okay,
All
next
right.
line. All right.
Now, now we need to know check if each employee met the target.
Okay. So for that
So
we have to loop,
it's
no?
loop through hours. So the array is called hours.
Okay.
So
So you're
for
gonna.
I in hours, okay,
Uh-huh. Like that. Okay.
yeah. Then if I is greater than equal to target, you gotta delete something.
Okay. Wait.
Delete. One more. All right, go.
Okay. What do I put
Greater
up?
than equal to
Greater than
equal to.
equal? No.
Nope. Almost. There you go.
Okay. Woo. Uh-huh.
To target.
Uh-huh.
You spelled target wrong. One. That's just the
Okay.
last letter you spelled wrong. T.
Okay.
There you go.
There you go. Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Then you need a colon.
Colon.
New line. Then we want to increase counter. So counter plus equals 1.
Okay.
And I think that's it, right?
Okay. I think so. Yeah, it
Okay,
sounds about right.
now new line, and press delete again. All right, return counter. All right. Okay, now this is
Okay.
gonna be the hard part.
Okay.
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 So move it to the left,
Uh-huh.
left. Okay, stop. Go up. Stop. Go down. Stop. Go up. Stop. Dude, you're going way too high. Down a little bit.
Okay.
A little bit more. Right there. Okay. Go
Is
to
this
the
a
right a
run?
little bit. No. Okay, there you go. No. A little bit to the left. A little bit to the left. Okay, stop. Okay. Now go a little bit up,
Uh-huh.
and a little bit down. Stop. A little bit to the right.
To the right?
Yeah, right there.
Uh-huh.
Fingers crossed. Let's go.
Yes, sir. All right. Oh, bro. Damn. Hey, all right. I liked it. I liked it a lot. That was fun.
Yeah.
That
All
was
right,
fun.
explain it.
All right.
Explain it.
To my understanding, we had a list of employees, right? Well, a list of hours of an employee, right? The hours the employee worked, right? For example, on this, we have a list of the employee, of the first employee that worked 0 hours, the second employee that worked 1 hour, the third employee that worked 2 hours, the fourth employee that worked 3 hours, the fifth employee that worked 5 hours. So we're just giving the hours, right? And then we're given a target of hours. Why? Because the company wants for each employee to work a certain amount of hours, right? So our job is to find how many employees met those hours, right? So in order to do this, we have to loop through hours, right? Because we want to check each hour, right? And we have to compare to the target. If it's equal or greater than the target, right? We're given we add a counter plus 1. This counter plus 1 basically keeps track of the employees that met the hours. In this case, on example 1, we're given target 2, right? And so we loop through the list, 0, equal or greater than target, no, 1 equal greater or equal to 2, no. 2 greater or equal to 2, yes. 3 greater or equal to 2, yes. 3 greater or equal to 2, yes. 4 greater or equal to 2, yes. So therefore we have 3, because for each of them we add 1 to counter. Then we return count. If you made it to the end and love to support us, please hit the like button. And if you want to catch us live, turn on the bell notifications to be the first to watch. Don't want to watch a full stream? Don't worry, click here to see another walkthrough of a LeetCode problem from our streams.